Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Santa, a reindeer, an elf, and a snowman. First, I'll draw the elf. Let's start with his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Next, I'll draw his head and his hat like this. Then, I'll draw the elf's body. He's wearing a lovely outfit. Let's add his arms. Finally, I'll draw his legs like this. Next to the elf, I'll draw Santa Claus. Let's start with his face. He looks so kind and cheerful. Santa has a long and thick beard. Now I'll draw his hat. Next, I'll draw a reindeer. Let's start with his face. I'll add his cute cheeks. Then, I'll draw his antlers like this. After that, I'll draw Santa's body. Let's add his hands raised up like this. He's waving to everyone. Let's finish by drawing his body and legs. Finally, I'll draw a snowman standing next to Santa Claus. Do you like making snowmen? I really like it, too. Let's color the drawing together. First, I'll use red. Where should the red color go? We'll color the elf's collar and his hat red. The elf's socks and the reindeer's scarf will also be red. Of course, Santa's suit is red. Finally, the snowman's scarf and woolen hat will be red, too. Next, I'll use green to color the elf's outfit. I'll use brown for his hair and the reindeer's antlers. I'll color the reindeer's body light brown. Finally, I'll use cream to color their skin. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!